Python doesn't have for loops. Sort of. The loop that we call a for loop is not a traditional C-style for loop that you'll find in C++, Java, JavaScript, and many other programming languages. Unlike other languages, Python's for loops don't have an initialization step, a looping condition, and an incrementer. Instead, our loops are special purpose tools designed just for looping over an interval one time. And that's it. That's all that our for loops in Python can do. Loop over a single iterable one item at a time. Our loops can't go in the reverse direction, they can't loop over multiple iterables at the same time, and they can't count upward while looping. For any of those things, we need looping helpers. Python has built-in looping helpers like enumerate, zip, and reversed, and there are looping helpers in the standard library and in third-party libraries. And you can even invent your own looping helpers with iterators and generators. That's what my PyCon tutorial this year is all about. My name is Trey, and I help folks level up their skills through both team training and individual learning. And I'd like you to attend my tutorial this year about lazy looping in Python. If you'd like to really understand how Python's for loops work, and you'd like to create your own special purpose looping helpers for augmenting the behavior of your loops, this tutorial is for you. To attend this tutorial, you need to register for it. You can do that by adding the tutorial to your ticket from your dashboard page on the PyCon US website. Keep in mind that this tutorial is hands-on, so you will need to bring a laptop. I look forward to learning together about lazy looping in Python. I'll see you at PyCon.